I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like
back in the garage. Beautiful day we're having. I'm gonna be trying to take this exhaust off because mine is coming in on Monday, it's saying. We'll see how true that is, but what do we got? We got 2 bolts there, 2 bolts back here that you can't see. We got this, I don't know what it's called, whatever. And then I believe 2 bolts right under there. So I'm not gonna really film too much of me taking this apart unless I run into like a big issue, and then I'll document it. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this off because I'm itching to do something. Alright, so got the pipe off. Kind of a pain in the ass. Not terrible, but the way I did it was I literally just loosened all the bolts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this guy. The way I would recommend to do it would be, I guess I'll show you over here. Rolling around, scooting around in my car, scooting. Would be to, I already put the shit back together. Take this clamp off. This is what I would have done. Take this clamp off right here. That one. Take all of these shitty little plastic pieces off. Rip the thing in half. Will make your life a whole lot easier. And then just pull it out. Because otherwise I was fighting with the whole thing. I wouldn't recommend doing it like that. So when the new exhaust comes in, I'm going to try to put it on piece by piece and then put it together. And we'll see how that goes. Also, I don't know if this is supposed to stay on the bike with the exhaust. I don't know what the new exhaust is coming with, so we'll see. But it's coming along. Look what just pulled up. Open this bad boy up. Don't mind the flip-flops. Alright. This guy did make this to order, so ordered it. He's got to make the whole thing, weld it up, all of that, so that's why it took a while. But it's gonna be Dean Speed Customs. Took a hell of a long time, but I've heard nothing but good things. Sticker, yeah. You don't get a sticker, you know. Packaging seems like a 10 out of 10. Holy God. I don't even know where to start. And the DMV's opening in like a week or something like that, so I can finally probably get this thing on the road. This is packaged like crazy. This is nuts. I guess I'm just gonna stop the video and try to get this all unwrapped. Yeah. Alright, check back in a minute. Quick update. This wrap job is insane. That took about 10 minutes to get all this unpackaged. But if anyone knows, I got the bike tuned, or the ECU tuned by Ivan's Performance down in North Carolina. And they do say that if you go with just the slip-on, that you're actually gonna get a better power increase. But I had a slip-on my last Yamaha bolt, the Cobra slip-on. The thing sounded great actually, and performance-wise was awesome, but I honestly think just the full system looks the best. And after looking at all these FXRs, Dynas with the stainless, I just had to go stainless. So let me show you this. I hope you can hear me. So my neighbor just started cutting his grass, but I got the Dean Speed Customs stainless full system on there. I did have a couple hiccups. You got to take this off, the spring. Just take a spring puller or something, take that off. Gives this whole pipe can move that way. Otherwise the thing will never line up. So you got to take that off. Get this pipe on loose, this bolt on loose, and then put this on, and then it was perfect. So I just snugged this down. Bike hasn't been started since, I don't know, April. We'll see if she turns on and how it sounds. Alright, don't know if you can hear me, but she's on. It was a little rough start, but she is on and running. I mean, it's blowing smoke off, if you can see that. But I'll let you hear it idle for a minute. I'll give it a couple revs so you can hear what it sounds like. Also, on the Ivan's tuner, I believe they say to let it run for a couple minutes to let the computer get used to the program. I'll give it a couple revs, let you hear it. Thing's barking. My neighbors are gonna hate me. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming off there. This. just took it around the block real quick. Because like I said, no plates, so a little sketchy. But we're just in the neighborhood. Yeah, like I said, still a couple little things to come. But so far, this is like basically gonna be it. But I'm beyond stoked how this thing came out. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. I will tell you already though, I probably touched my leg on that pipe 10 times, and I've ridden it for a total of 10 minutes. I am aware of it, I just gotta figure something out there. So if you got any recommendations, let me know. But yeah, any questions, let me know. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you think it looks terrible, let me know. I'm not gonna cry about it, but stoked on it, so I'll try to keep some videos coming, so thank you.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay